Look at that. That's commitment. Nightfall and he's still cutting fiberglass cloth, eh? Look at that. Wouldn't be me. Big grilling crawfish and he cutting glass. How about that? Ah, it's what's for dinner. Okay, so I just got finished mapping out the glass to wrap just the top of this, and that pretty much takes up majority of it. But after we got these 3 layers on, we're gonna do 3 more on each side, and that'll have us at 5 layers on this everywhere, and we'll be tabbing it in with 5 layers of tabbing. It's getting there. Hoping to have this done by the end of the day. It's hot. All that cool weather we had pretty much gone. Alright, so this forward bulkhead is tabbed in. We got 3 layers of 1708. Tani seems to think that's enough. I don't know. I'm leaning towards the more the merrier. We went ahead and did this side off camera. This is a tight little corner, hard to get a good shot at what you're doing in there. But yeah, let me know what you think. There's 3 layers of tabbing. Good enough? Or should we put a few more? Okay, this one, we got 4 layers on the top cap. We got 2 layers on the flats on either side. So we're gonna lay up some more on the sides, and then we're gonna wrap it some more. I think the goal is 6 layers. Tony's saying 5, but I say the stronger, the better. The more, the better. Anyway, and then once we get it all laid up, then we can top this in. You know, it's amazing how much strength these bulkheads are already added to this hull. You know, when we used to walk along the V here, the fiberglass used to flex up and down as you walk on it, and now all that flex is gone. I don't see any flex when we walk in these sections of the hull anymore. So that means this is doing something. And if it's stopping flexing with pressure this way, it should stop flexing with pressure the other way. Make sense? Okay, go on now. Just work it up. Yeah, camera died again. Sorry about that. Here we are the next day, putting our fillets, getting ready to lay some topping in. Yeah, sorry for a lot of missing footage, but doing this one evening, and we're running short of daylight, and it's hard to get a good shot, so we just decided to give the camera a break and finish it up off camera. So yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so here is the second bulkhead, 75% topped in. We got our 5 layers here. You can't see back there. And here. We didn't have enough time to get this one on, so that'll be done soon. Gonna be gel coating this area from up there back to the front of this bulkhead. Keep moving back with the floor, get this middle section down, and then straight into the transom. We also don't like the jagged edges of the topping and the texture of the 1708, so all of our topping edges will be ground, and everything will get a layer of chalk mat just to make it all look a little more uniform before the gel coat. We know you'll never see it, but still know what it looked like, so you gotta look at least halfway decent. Okay, got my fillet in, ready to do the topping.